Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your language practice with Tandem, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Tandem app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Complete your profile by adding your native language and the language you wish to learn. Set your language goals to guide your practice. Explore the app to find language partners who share similar interests. Use filters to narrow down options based on language, location, and learning goals. Send a message to your chosen partner to introduce yourself. Be friendly and open in your conversation. Schedule a video or voice call to practice speaking. Prepare a few topics in advance to discuss during the call. Take turns speaking and listen actively to your partner. Ask questions to clarify any doubts you may have. Make notes of new vocabulary and phrases during the conversation. Use the chat feature to write and correct each other's messages. Keep the conversation natural and casual, like chatting with a friend. Experiment with different types of sessions, like thematic discussions or casual chit-chat. Set a regular practice schedule to maintain consistency. Revisit your goals periodically to track your progress. Remember to celebrate small achievements in your language journey. Stay patient and open-minded, as learning a language takes time. Utilize Tandem's community features to connect with more learners. Explore language exchange events within the app for additional practice. Dive into the learning resources available, such as language tips and articles. Use the feedback from your partner to improve your language skills. Try to immerse yourself in the language outside of the app as well. Stay motivated and enjoy the process of learning a new language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.